My name's Rob Shepherd from Evometric, and I've been involved in exploring sensors and IoT at Glynllifon. The dashboard that we've come up with is Pethau, which is a dashboard that links all of the sensors on the farm into one view. And here we can see all of the sensors that we currently have working, from sensors deployed out in the field to security sensors around gates and cattle grids, to all the sensors packed into the the farmyard itself, looking after animals and slurry storage and those kind of things. On this display, the farm manager, Rodri, he can see the colour coding of these. Green is fine, red means there's possibly an alarm condition or something's happened that requires the attention of the farmer. So it's an easy snapshot of what the farmer needs to do to keep on top of the alerts that come out of the dashboard. If we look at some of the examples, here's an excellent use case of monitoring the storage of slurry, which is a hot topic at the moment. And here we can see that one of the slurry tanks was practically full a week ago, and Rodri's had the opportunity to empty this and apply it to the fields. So here we can see the volume of slurry in this tank dropping from 600,000 litres down to about 100,000 litres. And then as that builds up, certainly over the winter months, be able to keep an eye on the slurry levels in the tank, and we can put alarms on that, so when it reaches say 80% or 90%, we can maybe do something about that before it overflows. Something that contributes to the storage of slurry and the pressures therein would be rainfall. So out in the field we have a rainfall monitor. Here we can see over the last 30 days some pretty significant rain events leading to the accumulation of moisture in the fields, and of course rainfall all across the farm. On this same page we can see the air temperature and humidity, gives us the conditions on the field, but also the soil moisture. And we can see when we have these big rainfall events, we can see the soil moisture goes up and then starts to dry off again, which is important for the application of slurry, making sure it's not applied to saturated ground. Other examples that we can look at would be security around the farm. So here is a sequence of alarms that pops up 6 minutes ago, 24 hours ago. This is a sensor that's deployed on a cattle grid, and we can detect activity out of hours from vehicles that are passing around the farm when possibly they shouldn't be. Another example we have on the farm is monitoring the vaccine fridge where the pig medicines are kept. We've automated the output of this so that when the dashboard moves from normal, which is green, to a red alert saying that the fridge temperature is warmer than it should be, we've linked it to an outside lamp which comes on immediately when the alarm is raised. When the alarm goes back to all clear, when the fridge door is closed, for example, the outside lamp will go off, and the farmer can keep on top of the sensor alarms without needing to look at their phone all the time.